Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Flagstar Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Flagstar Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in flagstar.com and make a search. Tick mark on the box to verify that you are a human. After the verification is completed, you will end up on the official page of Flagstar's account. Click on human icon at the top right side of the page. Select your available account that you would like to log in from the drop down, enter your username and password and click on login. In case if you don't remember username or password, click on forgot username or forgot password option. This is how you can log into your Flagstar Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.